Deepseek AI has quietly revolutionized how I work, learn, and manage information. What began as an experimental tool has become my indispensable digital companion, reshaping my productivity and creativity in unexpected ways. My personal AI assistant. Deepseek AI serves as my 24/7 research partner, instantly clarifying complex topics from quantum computing to sourdough baking techniques. Its ability to summarize lengthy articles saves me hours each week, while its multilingual capabilities help me navigate foreign language documents with surprising accuracy, transforming my workflow. As a content creator, Deepseek AI has become my brainstorming partner, suggesting fresh angles for articles and helping overcome writer's block. Its code explanation feature helped me understand Python scripts for my data analysis projects without formal programming training. The document analysis tool extracts key points from PDFs in seconds, replacing my old highlight and note system. Learning revolutionized. My self-education has accelerated dramatically with Deepseek AI's ability to break down advanced concepts into digestible explanations. When studying photography, it suggested practical exercises tailored to my skill level. During language learning, it generates customized reading materials at just the right difficulty. Personal organization upgraded. Deepseek AI organizes my chaotic schedule by analyzing my calendar and suggesting optimal time blocks for different activities. It reminds me of important deadlines I might overlook, and even suggests when to take breaks based on my work patterns. Creative enhancement. The AI has unexpectedly boosted my creativity, offering innovative solutions to design challenges and suggesting combinations of ideas I wouldn't have considered. While I maintain full creative control, these sparks of inspiration have led to some of my most original work. Current limitations in personal use. I occasionally encounter factual inaccuracies requiring verification, and the AI sometimes misinterprets nuanced personal requests. The lack of true memory between sessions means I need to re-explain certain preferences regularly. The future I anticipate. I'm particularly excited about promised features like personalized learning roadmaps and deeper calendar integration. The potential for AI to anticipate my needs before I articulate them could further streamline my daily routines. Why Deepseek AI stands out? Compared to other AI tools I've tried, Deepseek AI strikes the perfect balance between depth and accessibility. Its clean interface removes technological intimidation, while its sophisticated capabilities satisfy my professional needs. The free access model removes barriers that kept me from fully adopting other solutions. Conclusion: my AI-powered transformation. Deepseek AI has evolved from a novelty to what feels like an extension of my own cognition. It hasn't replaced my skills but amplified them, creating what I call augmented intelligence, my human judgment enhanced by machine precision. As the technology continues advancing, I'm reimagining what's possible in my personal and professional growth, with Deepseek AI as both tool and catalyst.